Hello traders, and thanks for tuning into this week's Market Outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader at Exness, and in this video I'm going to be giving an idea for trading gold over the next few days, some of the narratives that are driving the possible movement by gold, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week, the idea was a potential sell for euro-dollar from the area of around 109 with a target around 108. That idea so far has been fully accurate, with the price having moved below 108 and possibly continuing further down. For this week, the idea is a potential sell for gold against the US dollar from the area around 2,305. We can see that the bounce from 2,300 has been relatively weak. It's possible that the price might move below there again and continue lower. So the initial target, based on the 100-day simple moving average, could be around 2,250 to 2,260. And if the price continues lower after a surprise or reaction to upcoming data, it's possible that it might move as low as 2,200. And the primary narratives that are driving the possible movement downward by gold are higher for longer from the Fed, and generally no significant sign of economic slowdown in the USA. Firstly, for the Fed, it's pretty much 50-50 split among participants whether there might be a cut in September, and it's possible there might not even be a cut in November either. Meanwhile, generally economic data from the USA have been okay recently, if not fantastic. NFP for last month was significantly better than expected, and while GDP data have generally gone down according to first and second estimates for the first quarter, still there is no clear indication of recession or a very strong slowdown. Overall, the data seem to be moderately strong, so there's no pressing rush for the Fed to start cutting rates. And if traders were to take this potential sell for gold this week, main things they need to be aware of are American inflation and the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, both of which are happening on Wednesday the 12th of June. Inflation is expected at 3.4%, and the Fed is certainly not expected to give any clear hints as to future movements, but if there is a surprise from either of these, we might expect most major markets, including gold, to react quite strongly. So in summary, the idea for a trade for this week is a possible sell for gold with a target around 2,250, possible stretch targets lower than that. And the main narratives in view for the move down, possibly by gold, are the Fed keeping rates higher for longer, and generally no immediate sign of a recession or big economic slowdown in the USA. Critical data to be monitored is inflation from the USA on Wednesday the 12th, and that same evening, the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee. Thanks very much for watching Exness Market Outlook. Please remember, this is just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and manage risk.